Hi everyone, so I'm back to share a little journal with you. This one is, so I'm just moving my chair. This one is a little mini Christmas journal. Most of the kits are from Arty Maze, a few bits from Tsunami Rose as well. So the journal measures 5 1/4 by 3 1/4, half an inch spine, 2 signatures, 64 pages front and back, and this will be for sale on my coffee shop, and I'll put a direct link below in the description box. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through. I've got a sore throat. Don't know where that came from because I feel fine, but I've got a sore throat. It can't be another cold because I had one a couple of weeks ago. But anyway, so if I stop talking, it's because my throat's sore. So the paper here is from Arty Maze. I love these little mini journals. They're just so cute. And look how nice that is to hold in your hands. These, I have been tinkering around last couple of weeks with air dry clay. So I'd made these little stars. So I painted them with acrylic paint, and then I went over them with this, which is, it's a gel gloss by, I can never say that properly, but that's the brand that I used. And I will be sharing some of the things that I have been making soon in a completely different video. So yeah, that's the little beads. We have got some twine. Haven't used that in ages, but whilst bringing stuff in from my shed into the house, I found that. I've probably had that years, so I've been using that. So the inside here is paper from Arty Maze, and I shrunk that down. I think it was to about 75%, and the rest of the pages that I've used, what I did was I printed 2 to a page, so to get this like particular size. Some of it I did trim off a little bit more as well. So this is from Arty Maze. I don't know what kit that's from, can't remember. Pockets here, I think that's from the Christmas and July kit, I think. I can't be 100% sure. And then here we've got that, I know this is from the Christmas, is it medley? Actually, I've got it up here. Yeah, it's the Christmas medley kit, I think. This background tag is a freebie over on my coffee shop, and these are from, I don't know where they're from, but I had loads of like Christmas ephemera, and I just printed 9 to a page. You know, when you do the contact printing sheet. This is from Tsunami Rose. You'll find loads of links below in the description box to people. This is Arty Maze. The pocket is Arty Maze as well. That is from, I think it's the Old Design Shop. The pocket there is actually opened at the back for you to tuck things inside, and as you can see, this journal was getting pretty thick, so I had to stop adding little bits to it. So we have a doily here. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. We've got a little pocket there with 2 little ephemera pieces there. They're from Arty Maze, so we shall put that in there. We shall, maybe. Okay, can't remember who that's from, but it is a digital. I got it on Etsy. Some lined paper with some trim. This is Arty Maze. I adore that paper. Little corner tuck, and as you can see, some of the pockets I've stitched around, and including that. Little tag there. I think that's from Arty Maze, and this is from one of our kits. It's just the little labels, and I popped that on there. Then we have here just a little double journal card. You could glue here and here, make it a pocket if you wished. Little envelope there with a piece from Arty Maze that I've probably stuck inside. Too impatient to wait for things to dry. No, it's not. And I don't know where that's from. I think it's, like I said, I think it might be the Old Design Shop. So, centre of the signature with my little air dry clay pieces. I've been playing around with air dry clay, doing loads of decoupaging. Yeah, I'll do a separate video because I've got bits lying everywhere, because, you know, if if you know with air dry clay you got to leave it to dry. And then I've been just watching lots of videos and getting inspired and just trying little things, and literally bits everywhere. So much fun. Little side tuck here with another little double journal card there. It's got lines on the back. And that goes in there. Can't remember who that's from. And that's Arty Maze, and that is Tsunami Rose. Got a little, this, again, I can't remember the name of that kit. Arty Maze, that actually flips out. I love the candlestick. I'm going to show you these quickly. I got these. We've got a reuse group here in St Albans, where I live. Anyway, the lady was giving these away. And that's something else that I'm doing as well. I'm still decorating. I'm about to embark on chalk painting my pine furniture. Had to talk to hubby into that a little bit because he wasn't too keen. But so anyway, got them. And they're going to be scrubbed down, sanded down a little bit. You can see where the candles, they had blue candles in there last time. And yeah, got them for nothing. So they're going to be black for when I do. And I've been slowly painting all my little wooden photo frames. I've been chalk painting them as well. So that's opened at the back there. That's a freebie tag, and I've shrunk them down. I printed 2 to a page, and this I think is from the old design shop. So yeah, I'm kind of doing lots of little things at the moment. Little journal card, I like that. The child, naughty or nice. Little pockets here, it's all been stitched. Little robin here. Yep, decoupaging things as well. Jar's been doing things for my grandkids for Christmas. Not as Christmas presents, but just little things for their Christmas. Not for their Christmas. I'm going to show you. I can't help myself. Anyway, I've been doing coasters. I messed that up. That's my dog. That's one of my dogs. But anyway, I've still got to finish these. But I printed these images onto tissue paper, and I've glittered them all, and I've just little bits that I've been doing. As you can see, I've still got to tidy up all around there. And then I don't know whether to, I used resin on that, and I did mess it up because once I'd done one coat, I went in and it's left marks. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know whether to spray it with a gloss like acrylic spray or not, or I'm going to order the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. All these new crafts are costing me an arm and a leg, but it's fun to do. Little postcard there. Yeah, I should come on and do a show and tell of all the little things that I've been making, which are not journal related or craft. Well, they are still crafty related, but not paper crafts. Little tag there. That pocket is from Tsunami. No, it's not. It's from Arty Maze, and so is this, and so is that. Little doily. TaylorMade Journals. Little tags there. So if you're interested, I've got kits, journal kits, and Christmas journal kits on. Oh, I need to put a little bit more glue down there. On my coffee shop, which are at a reduced price at the moment. So now is your time, because see, once the end of this month kicks in, I won't be selling anything Christmas related, because obviously, you know, I think December's like the end of November is like the cut off for me for me to ship it, like especially international. So anything Christmassy will be up in the next 2 weeks. Love these collage Christmas papers. This is Arty Maze. I don't know who that's from. It's a digital kit. It was the black and white stuff. I'm sure it was the kits that I bought. I bought 3 or 4 kits and they were like 38p each on Etsy. That's a freebie on my coffee shop. Love all this. I love the plaid here, like kind of tartany plaid, and love the birdies. That's at Arty Maze as well. I think that is as well. That might be a freebie, I'm not sure. Some lace trim. Here we have excuse me, a little journal card, a little envelope with a robin, little journal card in there. This is Arty Maze, so is that. They've all been backed with coffee dyed papers. And that is the back. So that is the little journal. And if you're like me and you like little journals. Oh, I need to put 2 bits on there as well. Silly me, forgot to do that. It's because, do you know what? I literally got distracted with doing these. I forgot to put, I'll put 2 little silver beady things in there. So that goes like so. And then we just tie that. So I will put the links, well, a link to this below. I'll tie that better in a minute. And links to the other things that are available in my shop. Go over and check out my freebies as well. I put one up today. I think I put one up yesterday as well, because I've got a lot of catching up to do because I was away for all like a week. So yeah, if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.